Hey, third grade. So today we're going to continue our work on equivalent fractions. We're going to jump in, no fluency today. Let's look at this first problem. On the number line above, use a red pencil to divide each whole into fourths and label the fraction. What I want you to do is using your finger, draw on the screen where you would divide it into fourths. So the way I do it is I first divide each section into halves, and from there I divide each half into halves. So I know I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, and 12/4. Now I'm going to use a blue pencil to divide each whole into eighths. Use your finger and go ahead and draw all the lines to divide into eighths between 0 and 1. All right, so I would say 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8, 9/8, 10/8, 11/8, 12/8, 13/8, 14/8, 15/8, 16/8, 17/8, 18/8, 19/8, 20/8, 21/8, 22/8, 20. Oh, I'm off one, but 24/8. Now, let's, using your finger, point to all the fractions that take place in the same place. So I see here 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Here, 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 there, 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 and there. Weird. All my whole numbers and all my fourths are also my eighths. The only ones that don't overlap are my eighths. Now, using our fraction line to help, which number would be 7/2? Let's look. I know I have 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, 5/2, 6/2, 7/2 out here. 7/2 would be the equivalent of how many fourths? Count. I know that 3 is 12/4, so I have 13/4, 14/4. I also know that 3 is 24/8. So I would have 25/8, 26/8, 27/8, 28/8, all at this equal 7/2. We're going to try again something a little easier. For each of these lines, we're going to write two different fractions. Let's start. I'm looking, I'm seeing how many equal parts. 1, 2, 3. This is on the first one. I know the fraction is 1/3. Now I need to see, could I represent it by halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, or eighths? I'm going to divide these each into half and count how many. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts now. I know this is 1, 2, 6. Today, you're going to keep practicing this on your own. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know in the comments. Good luck.